Hello, hi, I'm Subramani from Citadel Construction. Today I wanted to talk about some construction related the planning, success plan and non-success plan with the owners. Where is the problems we're chasing? Lot of things and lot of calls which we are getting it. People who's not incompleting the properties. When the incompleting properties between the landowners, owners and contractors, what is the terms and conditions are there based on the payments or based on the schedules what they given it. If the clients are given the more payments to the contractors unwantedly, the contractor has taken the more payments, or owners are not paid up to the payment options till the project completions. What is the payment schedules? All this we wanted to going to talk today. If example, if a 30 by 40 your project cost is about around 50 to 60 lakh or a 70 plus whatever call, it should be a 7 payments. Each payment should be 25%, 20% minimum payment should be. In that, in the schedule is clearly going to be mentioned how many floors of the property is going to be constructing and what stage by stage. It should be like a footing stage, then after the wall constructions and the first floor ground floor roof, then the first floor roof conditions, wall and roof, second floor wall and roof. In same time, this is also you need to look forward. In the same time, after the 2 floors, immediately ground floor supposed to start the plastering level also. Then electrical piping line should happen, plumbing line should happen, plastering should happen immediately. Then curing keeps going on, whichever the floor. Sometimes what will happen, clients will go for owners will go for only ground and first floor constructions, or else client will go for 4 floor constructions. Depends on the constructions. When the depends on your floor plans, depends on your conditions, all are depends on the planning, what working plans you got it and what is the scope of work is there in your properties. Depends on that, this all the schedules need to be mentioned in the document. How many months is going to be delivering and what is the grace period going to be mentioned in the document. Based on that, you come to know whenever you keep paying the money, when you seen this job is completed or not, easily you will come to know, okay, you are paid more or you paid properly money to the contractors. In case if the contractors it discontinue or is not worked between your both the parties, not supposed to happen any dispute, like he is not willing to work, so his money need to be settled in the terms. However, his schedule is showed, he should complete. If that schedule is not completed, you are not going to pay for him. This is the conditions keep goes till your completions of the properties. When the properties, when your keep going on, the same time the other things also need to happen. Painting, final woodwork should happen. Carpenter work should happen. Frame, doors should happen. Window fittings, electrical fittings, or whatever the call. So these conditions, everything will be mentioned in the document. When the documents before your signing, you should have complete detailed agreement should be there. Which kind of materials is going to be used, what is exact materials, So apart from that materials, whatever it is shown in the document, that material should come to the site. Apart from other materials, what the owner wanted to like any kind of you mean to say you may liked it more than that, or lesser than that, or whatever, you have to pay that money back to the contractors. Or else if you people are like something, that time you have to sit and discuss, boss, this is what I wanted to go for. You need to call up the contractors. He's not feel bad because he's working, he knows all the things. You should have a proper understanding between the both the people, so that persons need to accept your requirement based on the price. Any differential pricing, the pricing should be, owner should hand over the price, the extra money whatever which is cost. So if this is all are there, and this is completely will be done. If you are asking me the question for a 3-4 floors, how many days it will take to completion 30 by 40 properties, it will takes about 7 to 8 months of time. Continuously if it goes, any kind of a government related, the lorry strike or the material strike or any kind of these reasons, then that time definitely it will be little delayed. When you come to know when is the natural problematic like this COVID-19, whatever the people are struggling it in constructions, various problems in our constructions, we are not having any problems because why, we had a proper stock at site. So my people are stay and work at the site, so we keep supplied, and we had a supply also. In terms of the constructions industry, there is no problem in the COVID time. The COVID time also we working, not a problem. If anybody's, you people clients are liking it, please contact us for the construction related any queries. You can take it as a consultancy from my company. I'm the sole chairman of the company. We have a complete teams, and we'll take complete constructions related anything, new constructions related, woodwork, in terms of all the manners we used to take it. So please bear